Wake up!
McDonald's, here I come!
I'm really disappointed. How should I intro this?
I just simultaneously whipped a nene!
Hello?
Do you know what day it is?
Tuesday?
No, well, yes, but do you know how long you've been in quarantine for?
I guess I've been in quarantine for a few weeks now.
No, longer than a few weeks. Look at your whiteboard.
My wife will.
Bryan, you've been in quarantine for 40 days. Wake up!
I gotta get out of here, man. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here, man. I can't do this no more. I can't do this anymore. 40 days. 40 days. We gotta get out of here, bud. We gotta go. We gotta go. We got places to be. And things to eat. Trinity of food chains. With the almighty McDonald's. I'm coming for you, McDonald's. I'm coming, McDonald's. I gotta get out of here, man. I gotta go get some McDonald's. Get out of here. I can't take this anymore. We gotta go. McDonald's, here I come. Calling my man Torin about this quarantine thing.
Hello?
I gotta get out of here, man. I gotta go.
Oh, I gotta get out of here, man. I gotta go. I gotta get out. I gotta get. It's a lot better. Oh wait, no. That is not better. Not better.
How should I intro this? I don't know. Figure something out. So I do most of my editing on my HP Pavilion laptop, and recently I've noticed that my RAM has been reaching its max while I'm editing, so I decided to upgrade. I went with a Silicon Power 8GB DDR4, and the results really surprised me. Before I installed it, I ran a test to see what my baseline was. I opened up Premiere and it took 40 seconds to open. From there, I opened the project file for last week's Budgetless crew, and that also took 40 seconds. Then I set the preview quality to full, and let it play for about a minute and a half. And it stuttered a lot, and it had a lot of trouble recovering from those stutters. Later, when I was looking at the footage, I noticed that the recording software itself had a lot of stuttering. So after I got my baseline, I put in my RAM. Cue epic time lapse.
Now for my least favorite part, taking the back off.
Future me, was that time-lapse epic? If it wasn't, I'm really disappointed. With my new RAM installed, I ran the same test again, and it was way better. Premiere opened in 20 seconds, the project file opened in 20 seconds, and whenever I played it back, when it did stutter, it recovered almost immediately. And the screen recording itself had no stutters whatsoever. Over the last few days, as I've used the computer more, I've noticed that everything runs better. All my games run better, all my softwares run better. It really wasn't that expensive. I think mine was like 30 bucks. So if you can, upgrade your RAM. It's gonna help you a whole lot. Anyways, I don't know how to outro these things. So go to the next clip. Or, I don't know, end of the episode. Something, I don't know, bye.
Hey, Vsauce! Michael here.
There's 104 days of summer vacation and school comes around just to end it. But the annual problem of our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe... Back to you, Mike.
Back to you, Dave.
Alright, are we done ripping off other people's stuff?
Yep.
Hi, I'm Sam. Quiet on the set.
No. Oh, this is janky, bros. Oh, no. Here we go. Welcome to the...
Action.
Shut up.
Quiet on the set.
Welcome to the
Quiet on the
pre-vis.
set.
I'm gonna murder you, son. Alright.
There's 104 days...
Alright, ready?
There's 100...
It's like you skip that.
There's 104 days of summer
There's 104 days of summer.
vacation. There... 100... School comes up... There's a... Gonna do it all.
I dabbed in 2020.
I just simultaneously whipped a nay-nade!
Oh! Oh my. Oh no, you're actually doing it. No! No! I'm running out of things to say, so fan now.
Hey, this is the behind the scenes, and you're watching. Back to you.
Why, hello there. Ah, General Kenobi.
Quiet on the set.